I'm Andrea Olson with Tiny Undies. These are my Tiny Ups. These are a PUL outside, bamboo, look at that, fleece inside, very, very soft. There are 3 snaps on the side, 1, 2, 3. The size small is really for small babies. The medium is more for your normal, what you would use during, say, about 6 months to say 12, 14 months, and then the large would be for around 18 months, 2 years old. But check the size chart just to be sure. But basically, these can be used solo. Some kids don't like the way that pee feels in these. If you don't have a backup that you're using while doing elimination communication or early potty training, if they're just naked, they're going to pee wherever, whenever. It's going to be just the same as using a diaper. So we use these in a combination of whatever backup to make sure that they are staying dry and letting us know when they need to go. So if you've got your child in tiny trainers, you put Tiny Ups over them, this will keep the pee that's caught in this cotton part from getting onto the pants or the floor. Very, very helpful. They're a little bit baggy, a little bit bulky, and they're meant to be, the child can use them, but they're really meant as like an alternative to cloth diapers. So you don't have to lay them down to change them. You can pull on trainers and pull on the Tiny Ups on top of them. It's like a pull-up cloth diaper alternative, right? So 3 snaps on the side. If you have a poop in them, you got to very, very carefully take these off. So, but it contains them really well because these leg gussets are really good. We can also wear them over Tiny Undies if we're doing an outing and we want a little bit of extra protection. If they're already in undies and a training pant feels too much like a diaper, you can put these on them. Put these on top during a nap, during daycare, during preschool, whatever, during a car ride, just to make sure that if they do have an accident, because they're still learning, that we get as little other things wet as possible, like pants, shoes, socks, you name it. I've definitely had pee in it. So those are the Tiny Ups. They come in a variety of patterns, and hopefully they'll help you out with nap, nighttime, transitioning from diapers to undies and trainers, and as an extra layer of protection if there is an accident or a miss.